What is going on, guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. Got another quick FLAKKA video for you guys. This woman literally looks like she's one of the zombies from The Walking Dead. I'm not joking. And if she isn't, then someone from Atlanta needs to contact her immediately and offer her a part in the show. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content. We also recently started a Patreon and can use your support to keep the channel going. We'll put a link down in the description below. But without further ado, let's dive in. Synthetic drugs are hitting America wide open and showing no remorse. Teens quickly take on this drug because it's legal and easy to get. For a drug that is legal, it is far more dangerous than any illegal drug I have seen. A drug that makes you crave human flesh? This is scary, folks. People do not realize how far the elite are willing to go. The war on drugs is one of the biggest psyops the country has ever seen. Not long ago, a CIA plane crash landed in 2017. Take a guess what was on board. 4 tons of cocaine. With a T. You see, the government wants you to be on drugs, and they made a war on it purely for profit. A society that is doped out all the time will never think for themselves and will be less likely to cause a threat to their new world order. You think they want you off the drugs? Thinking for yourselves? Doing productive things? Hell no. That is actually the last thing they want, as long as you are doing them and making them rich and your guard is down. We are moving into an era unlike anyone has ever seen before. Prophecy is being fulfilled. We are about to see a wave of people the world has never seen. The elite want to change us, corrupt our soul, body, and mind. They are dumbing us out purposely. We are living in end times, and these new drugs that are coming out are helping them to get the upper hand. We have no hope if the rest of the population looks like this. Resist the new world order and rise up against it.
You're not gonna know who the fuck I am. You've heard all about it.
With all seriousness, this is a very different drug that attacks people on a scale that no other drug has before. From superhuman strength to completely shutting down altogether, this drug is also known to open up doors from the other realm to allow demonic entities to come inside you. As far-fetched as it might sound, it is literally happening everywhere. On my other FLAKKA completion, a man literally says Lucifer while people are praying around him. I also believe this drug was released purposely as a test on the public. I do believe the Illuminati are testing their new drug that will turn people into zombie-like creatures. The people on this drug show no signs of pain and can withstand endless amounts of it. Check my other FLAKKA video as reference. This new wave of synthetics are killing people their first time using the drug, or in almost every case hospitalizing them. This is not your average drug like marijuana. This stuff was created for a far more sinister reason. There is also another drug similar to FLAKKA called crocodile. This drug is extremely addictive, and most users that use it die using the drug because they're unable to stop. The drug is known as a flesh-eating drug. People lose their arms, legs, eyes, and more. It is far too graphic for me to want to show it on my channel. I will let you independently research it on your own. If we are going to be able to survive these end times, we must turn away from this. Help our brothers and sisters through these times, and try to educate them as best we can. I truly believe these drugs invite other spirits inside, and once within you, they destroy everything around you. Make no mistake, we must be vigilant in these times. Letting your guard down just once could be your last.
I'm scared. Get them. I want them to know what Mojo doing to people. Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk. Y'all go help her, y'all.
Y'all, he gonna die. He having a seizure, I bet you, Sparkle.
No, he needs some milk. They got milk. I know.
Oh, Sparkle, look at this one.
Give him some milk. Shit, fuck right, I'm recording. I'm letting everybody else know what Mojo doing to people. Me neither. And she here. Fuck, I can record. Stephanie calling the ambulance. It's Stephanie calling.
Please put it in the small spot.
Give him that milk.
Give it to him, please. Please give it to him.
And she mad at us. Shit, we ain't. That water fuck them up though. They don't know that. Send them to a shop. Jamie, y'all better leave that mojo alone. No, that milk, y'all, that water put them in shock. That water put them in shock, y'all.
She'll know she from the church, that's all.
Out with the old, in with the new. These synthetics are replacing all the old outdated drugs. They might have been bad, and most of them certainly did destroy lives, but they gave people a chance to turn away. A chance to rehabilitate and work your way back into a normal life. The new wave is destroying you the first time using. You had your chance the moment you used it, and it's going to get worse. As your children grow up into this new society, heroin will be the least of your worries. As we grew up, pot was mild and heroin was terrible. Heroin is going to be the pot. The drug that you wish they would have done instead of this. I know it sounds bad, but this is where we are headed. But we can choose. Choose to leave these synthetic drugs on the shelves, knowing what it's doing, or choose to do away with them. Most of you will say it doesn't matter. They will get it somehow, and you most likely are right. But if we don't take a step in towards the right direction, who will? Who will they lead the example for the future generations? Life should be about our children growing up, living their lives, and becoming people we can be proud of. We should look forward to it, but I tell you, I'm petrified of it.